The night was still in Hong Kong, the air thick with the scent of the ocean and street food lingering from the bustling markets below. On the rooftop of a quiet training hall, Bruce Lee stood, his silhouette sharp against the neon-lit skyline. His body was still, yet his mind moved with the energy of a storm. He was more than a fighter, more than a movie star. He was a man searching for the ultimate truth of existence. Bruce had never believed in limits. As a child, he was fragile, often bullied, yet he never cowered. He fought back, not with anger, but with purpose. Martial arts became his foundation, but it wasn't just about fighting. It was about self-expression, the ability to be fully himself without hesitation or restriction. He had faced rejection in Hollywood, dismissed as too foreign for the lead roles he knew he deserved, but he refused to accept their reality. He would create his own. A deep breath. The cool wind brushed against his skin as he shifted into a stance, feet rooted, hands light, ready. He moved through his techniques, each strike and kick a conversation with the universe, each motion an embodiment of his philosophy. Jeet Kune Do was not just about combat. It was about freedom, adaptability, the ability to respond without thought, to be like water, shapeless yet unstoppable. The world saw him as a warrior, but Bruce saw himself as a student. Every opponent he faced was a teacher. Every challenge, a lesson. He had trained tirelessly, breaking his body to build his mind, pushing past pain to reach something deeper. He understood that true mastery came not from control, but from letting go, from surrendering to the moment and moving without resistance. His fame was rising, his influence stretching across continents. Yet, he felt the weight of time pressing upon him. He had so much to teach, so much to share, and only so many breaths to do it. But that was the way of life. Impermanence. He did not fear death. He feared only leaving his mission unfinished. As he delivered a final, powerful kick into the night air, he knew he had already achieved immortality, not through his movies nor through his fights, but through his philosophy, through the fire he ignited in the hearts of those who dared to dream beyond boundaries. Bruce Lee was not just a legend. He was a movement, a force beyond time.